Good evening, Mrs. Cotton. So, these issues presented Ghost flood control project substandard infrastructure and higher taxes are all interconnected and point to systematic problem of corruption, inefficiency, and a lack of accountability in governance. Ghost flood control project are a significant issues in the Philippines as they involve government funds being allocated for projects that are either neither completed you are executed. This not only waste public money but also leave communities vulnerable to flooding as the intended flood protections measurements are not in place. The root cause is often a lack of transparency and oversight which allows for corruption to thrive. Substance infrastructure including classrooms, building, roads and bridges is another major problem. Corruption where subcontractors use low quality materials or cut corners to increase their profits. This lead to infrastructure that is not only unsafe but also requires frequent repairs, further draining public funds, higher taxes on Filipino workers and consumers corresponding improvement in public service or infrastructure. The public trust in the government is eroded when their taxes are perceived to be misused or lost to corruption. Recommendations: strengthen anti-corruption measures, implement sticker laws and penalties for corrupt officials and contractors, increase transparency and public oversight, make government projects and spending more transparent and accessible to the public. This can include digital platform where citizens can track the progress and budget of projects. Improve accountability, hold officials and agencies accountable for the failure of project and the misuse of funds. Strong point: addressing these issues requires a collective effort from both the government and the citizens. A government that is transparent and accountable, corrupted with the engaged and vigilant public is the key to building a more resilient and prosperous Philippines. So, thank you.